Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to enable quality images in X. If you want your images to look their best when shared, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Look for the account icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Simply tap on it to access your account settings. Step 2. Tap on Settings and Support. This will take you to the Settings and Privacy section, where you can manage various aspects of your X experience. Step 3. Inside the Settings and Privacy menu, find and tap on Accessibility, Language, and Display. This is where you can customize the display settings and accessibility features. Step 4. Now tap on Data Usage. This section allows you to control how X utilizes data for various purposes. Step 5. Within the data usage settings, locate the option labeled High Quality Images. Tap on it, and then select Mobile Data and Wi-Fi. This ensures that X will upload your images in high quality using both mobile data and Wi-Fi connections. By following these simple steps, you can easily enable quality images in X, ensuring your visual content looks stunning when shared. Thank you for watching, and may your images in X dazzle with exceptional quality.